Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a meta tag on your site on Wix, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am in the editor for one of my sites. This is just a placeholder sort of makeup store that I've made using a template, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a meta tag on this. Now you're going to need to add meta tags for each page separately, and I'm just going to be showing you guys on the example of this home page. So what I'm going to do first is go to the pages and menu button right over here, click on it, then at the site menu you need to select the page that you want to add the meta tag to. Then, for example, home, click on the three dots, then go to SEO basics, and once you're here, click on advanced SEO. Then you want to go under additional tags, and here you can click this add new tag button. Just click on that, and then you need to paste your meta tag in HTML format over here. I have just this test one that I have here, and I'm just gonna format it like this, and once you have it, you can just click apply, and as you can see, that has added the new meta tag. You can apply any changes if you want, like so. You can just do this, edit it, and then just click apply if you've changed it like that, and you can edit it like that very easily. You can also click on the three dots and click delete if you want to remove any, and yeah, that's basically it. As far as I know, you cannot change the meta tags, which are the defaults created by Wix itself. As you can see, I'm trying to click on this and I cannot edit the text or the code at all. But yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. You also have the robots meta tag, which are these relevant instructions, so bots know what info to display after crawling the page, and you can select what you want them to preview. And that is basically how you add or control your meta tags. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.